Lutang ang kagandahan ni Atasha Mulak kasama ang mga kasamahan niya sa Itbulaga sa kanilang opening song ng programa. Samantala, nanalo naman si Atasha bilang Female Recording Artist of the Year at Female Shining Star of the Night.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First things first, I really want to thank the MPC Star Awards for this recognition. This is truly an honor to receive an award.
Sa entablado, pinasasalamatan ng dalaga isa-isa ang mga tumulong sa kanya at lalo na ang kanyang pamilya.
Boss Vic, Boss Vern, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronique, and Boss Val, to Viper Records, Sir JP, and more importantly, to my family.